How to contact Amazon customer service. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can contact Amazon's customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. To contact Amazon customer support, if you have the app, you can use the in-app feature, or you can go to your browser and type in Amazon customer support. But make sure that you tap on the official link from Amazon because sometimes there could be fake websites. So make sure it is amazon.com or amazon.in depending upon whatever country it is, and tap on that contact us link which shows up initially. When you do that, you'll be able to find various options here. It will ask you what can you help with. So basically, depending upon anything of your reason, I will select something else and tap on I need more help. Now here you can see start chatting now if chatting is comfortable for you, or you can request a phone call, or you can send an email to Amazon. Let's say I want to request a phone call. I can do that. Just enter the number that you want to be reached out from and tap on call me now, and Amazon customer service is going to call you regarding whatever else help it is that you need to do. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.